Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'm looking at a shower faucet, and the complaint with this shower faucet is it doesn't get hot. You can turn it all the way to as far hot as it goes, and it produces lukewarm water at best. So I'm going to show you how to make this faucet produce water that is hotter than this one currently is producing. So at the bottom of this handle there is a little rubber plug that you pull out. Looks like this, and you just pull so the inside here there is a little hole with a little set screw. It's usually an Allen set screw, so you need an Allen wrench to take it off. In this case I've already done that, so that comes off. And this is a Glacier Bay, but you'll find it's similar with similarities with other brands too. Now these two screws you need to undo. They're very long. I've already unscrewed it for time's sake. So now we're getting closer to what we need. So this little cap unscrews, and now we're very close to what we need to adjust. It's this little thing right here, but in order to adjust it, we're gonna have to unscrew this right here. So just simply loosen it, and let's see how that, so that comes off. And now if you look at this closely, you'll see a plus right there, and over here it's kind of hard to see, but there's a minus, and then there's this little indicator point right there. So this is in the middle. Now if we want to make it produce hotter water, you simply you have to pull it out, because there's little grooves here that prevent it from sliding. So you pull it out, and now that will produce water as hot as this whole faucet assembly can allow. So if you wanted to make it, if it was too hot, you wanted to make it cooler, you simply bring it over to the minus side. And that is how you adjust or increase or reduce how hot the water is. Now with this, I'm going to bring it over to the far side, and I'll see what it does. If it's too hot, then I can adjust it down, but it may be adequate at that position. So you'll have to see what is the right position on your shower valve. So you just reverse the process to put it back together, and you test it out. Now you can test it out simply by, let's take this out, just getting the handle and turning it on like that. So there we go, turn it all the way off. And when you put it back, you want to make sure everything is aligned. Like right now it's not, but you can simply align it to where it gets the correct alignment. But anyways, that is how you can adjust the hot water level on these type of valves. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We also put out videos like this on a regular basis, so you can subscribe to this channel if you would like to learn more about general house knowledge and repairs that many homeowners can do themselves. Have a great day, and bye for now.